know the basics of technical SEO. Now, technical SEO, out of these few things which we have discussed when we were discussing the SERP, the search engine results page, is all the keyword optimization in the world won't help you if your site isn't even indexed. So learn the basics of technical SEO. For example, how do I register my website? One thing that we discussed was that since Google also wants to identify Google that which is the most accessed website, because that is the website that it will show you first. Now there are different ways to increase the number of views in a website. One of the way is that keep sharing your some of the content. So let's say in case if you have your own website, or even if you have a blog that you write, so try to write some content. Definitely your actual website will have the entire content, but try to share a few of those content uh, somewhere in other websites as well. For example, websites like social media. So because social media, definitely there are a lot of people who access social media websites. So write a little bit about your content and mention a link to visit your actual website as well. For example, in case if your actual content is around 1500 words, try to write something around 500 or 600 words, just so that people get an idea what is the content about somewhere in social media. And then for entire content, click on this link. When people click on this link, definitely Google will identify that this is the number of times the website is being accessed. So there are two types of SEO that you can talk about. One is called as yes, that we will be discussing as well. One is through internal linking. Every website that you have seen, you will always have seen that every website will always have have an option to go back to the home page. There are two reasons why website manufacturers always give a button to go back to the home page of the website. One reason is because definitely in case if you want to start once again from the beginning. Now, even if I show you an example of Amazon as well. So whenever, because there are so many pages in Amazon or so many things that we can access in Amazon, but whenever I click on this, I will always go back to the home page. So two reason for it is, let's say in case if I'm somewhere else, now I want to search for something else. Definitely I can go from here as well, but there are people who always are comfortable by going back to the home page and then searching for things. So one is to make the website friendly. Second is the more number of times the homepage is clicked, the more number of times the actual homepage of this website is accessed, Google will also count it as this is the number of times that this website was accessed. So this will always help in increasing the SEO ranking. So try to understand all these links as well. And so on-site SEO and even on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO is the one that I was talking about, that always give a link to go back to the home page. And off-page SEO is you are redirecting user from some other website back to your website or your blog. Now either you can include links like social media. Now on social media, always it is always good to create pages in social media and make your visitors go back to your original website through that page, because then that also will help in increasing the SEO ranking of the website. And apart from that, there are other websites as well, like blogging websites, and like content websites. For example, there are esignarticles.com, then articledunia.com, medium.com, blogger.com, a lot of such blogging websites. So always write a blog or something related to what your website is about, or what your content is all about. Then always give a link to go back to your own website. So even from there as well, the more number of people click on the website, it will also help in increasing the ranking for your website.